Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl aka and I am back. Yes guys, I am back. I know I've been gone for a whole long while. I had a baby, so I needed time to process, accept it with the new baby, the first time baby. So guys, it wasn't easy. I also did a belly transformation from 13 to 39 weeks. The link will be in the description box below. And to my ladies, please do watch the video. You can also do search as well, creating beautiful memories for you and your baby. Without much talking, today after the baby thing, I was like, I got inspired by this lady on TikTok. I don't even know her. I saw how she held her baby in a comfortable position. Guys, I had to hurry and get to go buy my own. So I went and looked for this. It's not the same as hers. It's very long. It's very comfortable, even more than this baby's carrier. Aside the African nature way, which we used to carry our baby on the back using a loin. Guys, I also discovered this. I was so excited. I'm like, I'm going to definitely try it. So guys, let's get into the process. And again, for those that are in the hospital that used to carry like babies that are sick, that are in the nursery, we usually call it the kangaroo method, by putting your baby in your chest to have this body to body contact to keep them warm. You can also keep your baby in that position and also do this. Guys, now let's go on. Let me not be talking. So guys, you're going to place your hands on the middle part of the wrap and place it across your belly all the way to the back. And at the back, you're going to crisscross each wrap and get it all the way over to your soldiers. You're going to place it beneath the belly band. Make sure you pull it, guys, such that it is well secure and nice. And at the front, you're going to crisscross it, and the number of crisscross will determine how lengthened the wrap is. Make sure it is well secure and safe for the baby. And when you're done, you get your cute little baby and place it on the upper portion closer to your chest. Make sure you do this very careful, guys, if you're alone, so as not to drop the baby on the floor. So to bring your baby that extra more security, you can get the additional portion and place it above your baby. And guys, that is it. For I promise you, your baby is going to love it. Be so comfortable and say thank you mama for this. So guys, you can try this at home. You can walk with this on the street feeling very comfortable, to church, to the market. At least you get to see your baby's face, to see what they are doing as compared to when they are in the back. And that's it for the video, guys. And if you would definitely try this, leave a comment in the comment section below saying that you will. And also, please, if you enjoy it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share the video.